Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Today we are going to be making this powerful and amazing 2-in-1 black seed and fenugreek hairspray and hair mask. To do that, we would need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of black seed. Black seed stimulates hair growth as it contains a high amount of thyroquinone. Thyroquinone is a powerful antihistamine that promotes hair growth, especially in thinning areas of our hair. Black seed also conditions and softens hair. It promotes blood circulation, prevents graying of hair. Black seed also moisturizes dry hair. We must merely make a start. Pour both the black seed and fenugreek seeds into a glass jar or whatever container you have available to you, and into that I'm going to pour in 2 cups of water. If you don't have cup measurements, you can just add 500 ml of water or just fill up your jar, Let's all take a Give it a little stir to loosen up the seeds, and we are going to cover and let this sit for 24 hours. You can even let it sit more than that. You can let it sit for like 48 hours even. The longer, the softer it becomes. Now this is the next day. Here is our seeds, and as you guys can see, the seeds has swollen up and the water has turned really dark. Now we are going to pour out some of the water. That's what we are going to use as our hairspray. This water is rich and potent with a lot of amazing benefits from both the fenugreek seeds and the black seed. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. We are going to cover and keep this aside, and we are going to move on to the remaining part. We are going to pour the remaining seeds into a blender and blend until it becomes really smooth. Also feel free to add more liquid. You can add water, aloe vera juice, whatever you find necessary to use. You can even use green tea or black tea. I like to incorporate things to enrich my mask, but for this particular one I just used plain water. Please take a second to like the video. Also subscribe to our channel. I'm trying to hit 1K subscribers this February. I'm almost there. I just have few subs left. I know I'll get there this February. Thanks guys, and also watch the video. We need that watch time, guys. We need that watch time. Thank you. I'm okay with the smoothness right here, so now I'll go ahead and pour it into a filter bag so that I'll filter to get a really smooth mask. Guys, to strain anything with fenugreek seed can be a hassle because it gets really thick. So I managed to strain it out, and this is what I got. If I try, I can still get more, but this is enough. Once I get what I know will be enough for my hair, I'll just stop. Here I'm adding some of my hair growth oil. So I added 2 tablespoons of this, my carrot and cloves hair growth oil. Guys, this oil is amazing. It's good for both hair and scalp. And then I also added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything together, stir and mix it in together to make sure that the oil is well mixed with the mask. And you guys, this mask is amazing. It is so good. Look at the consistency. The consistency for me is everything. And you guys know fenugreek is super good for hair. Fenugreek has so many amazing benefits for hair. Fenugreek is a great source of protein and amino acids that help prepare our hair shaft. Fenugreek is especially important if you use chemicals in your hair or you use color or heat in your hair, as those things can be very drying on our hair, especially if you have natural hair or fussy hair like mine. Things like that can be very damaging. So using things like fenugreek will really go into replenish your hair to repair any kind of damage. Fenugreek also prevents hair loss. It fights dandruff, promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, and reduce hair fall. So with the combination of the fenugreek and black seed, you have a very powerful and effective hair mask that will help to nourish your hair, promote hair growth, repair damaged hair, moisturize your hair, deeply condition your hair, soften your hair, and do so much more. For the application, guys, as you guys can see, first spraying my hair with the Fenugreek and Blackseed spray. I just went in to spray my hair with that. I decided to use it for this video. Apart from using the Fenugreek and Blackseed spray in combination with this mask, I also go in to use it to spray my hair as a daily hairspray, or just every other day, or whenever I feel like my hair is dry. As long as I had it, I just go in to spray my hair with that and re-moisturize my hair. It was so amazing. My hair felt so good and soft. I don't think I showed it in the video, but I did add some essential oils to that spray because, you know, you guys know fenugreek seed can smell funny. So I did add some essential oils to the spray because I also used it as a daily leave-in spray. So basically, I spray my hair with the Fenugreek and Blackseed spray and work it in my hair. You know, use my hand to really work it into my hair strands, and then I go in to apply the Fenugreek and Blackseed mask on my hair from root to tip. I also use the mask to massage my scalp, guys. Very important. It will help to also unclog your pores and nourish your hair follicles. It will help to promote blood circulation on our scalp, to promote hair growth, and, you know, get that blood flowing to the follicles to supply needed nutrients that will keep our hair thriving, growing stronger, thicker, longer, darker, and healthier. Guys, this mask is amazing. If you have not tried any mask at all, just try this one. It is amazing. The consistency is awesome. It made my hair so soft. My hair felt so deep conditioned. You can feel when your hair feels healthy and happy. So my hair felt so good.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
So I went ahead to cover my hair with a plastic bag. I let the mask sit in my hair for about 2 hours. I just left it in my hair and, you know, continued with other things. Whenever I have mask in my hair, I like to do physical things so that I'll be active, and I like to, you know, let heat be generated on my hair. I feel like it aids in the absorption of the product. So afterwards, I went ahead to wash off and continue with the rest of my wash day. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to ask. If you have any suggestion, feel free to drop it, and I will try as much as possible to meet your needs. Bye, and see you in my next video.